go. Silver Glides from the outside. Chase Charlie, Don Ezekiel. Moving up by the rally entry number 2, Precious Metal Mokai. Cool Reception, Intramuros. Entry number 1, Reality Show, and Presidential is the early trailer. Silver Glides followed by Precious Metal Mokai. In between runners alongside is Chase Charlie. Don Ezekiel racing in fifth alongside 6 Intramuros. By the rallies, Reality Show, Cool Reception, and Presidential. And nearing the far turn, Silver Glides followed now by Chase Charlie. Second, Mokai and Precious Metal as they race the last 450. Silver Glides, Chase Charlie on the outside, Mokai, and running by the Reality Show. On the outside, Don Ezekiel, and nearing the finish line, Silver Glides this time by about 2 lengths, followed by Mokai, alongside Don Ezekiel, Reality Show, Intramuros, and nearing the finish line, the icebreaker, Silver Glides, Mokai, Don Ezekiel, Intramuros, and for your Fentafecta, Reality Show.
Ano, 836?